Cleveland, a city of growth and accomplishment. A city located within a 500-mile radius of nearly half the U.S. population. Cleveland is also a hub of medical, technology, and advanced manufacturing, as well as being the leading center for steel and metals production, accounting for 10% of the United States steel output. It is also the home of ASM International World Headquarters. For 2020, we're bringing ASM's reimagined annual conference to the North Coast, the International Materials, Applications, and Technologies Conference, IMAT 2020, a conference and exhibition covering topics at the leading-edge confluence of industry, academia, and government. A conference including key topics in emerging technology areas like energy and utilities, Materials 4.0, Additive Manufacturing, Sustainability, Materials and Processes for Automation, and Economic Impacts on Material. While these will be a focus, what takes IMAT to the next level is that our core in multiple disciplines will be abundant as well, giving attendees the most well-rounded experience in materials applications and technologies. IMAT 2020 will have a 3-day expo with over 3,000 attendees and over 250 exhibitors, where you can explore innovation in materials with products, ideas, and solutions from major OEMs, material suppliers, producers, and corporate partners. Technology and startup pavilions, 4 days of education courses with over 600 technical presentations, keynotes, panel discussions, and hands-on equipment demonstrations. A Women in Materials Engineering program, an Emerging Professionals program and career recruitment fair with over 300 students, STEM program with hands-on materials demonstrations, and networking events that allow you to meet with the brightest minds in the industry at the Cleveland Rock and Roll Hall of Fame and the iconic ASM International Geodesic Dome. Bringing an event this big to life would be difficult to do alone. That's why all of ASM's affiliate societies and the ASM program committees are coming together and will be included in this conference and exposition, making ASM stronger together. We've also included organizing partners like NACE International, Ceramics Industry Magazine, Intelligent Manufacturing Systems, and GRANTA, giving IMAT 2020 a global reach to over 30 countries, along with involvement in a multitude of manufacturing disciplines like aerospace, automotive, defense, electronic, structural, and biomedical, bringing all the global expertise you need to tackle modern global material challenges. IMAT 2020, September 14th through the 17th. Visit imatevent.org for more information and to sign up now. See you there.